if it weren't for the fact that you have a point of view and I have a point of view, and she has a point of view and he has a point of view, there are millions and millions and millions of points of view. The fact remains though, my point of view is always right. And so is your point of view always right. You can have 100 people in a room, and every point of view is different because of the position that person is sitting in or standing in regards to the room. No one ever sees the room as it is completely. Your point of view within the room is different to my point of view within the room. You can only see so much. Direct vision, peripheral vision. And then there's personal preferences. I like this and I like that. But truly, what's most upsetting is the fact that no one is going to agree with your point of view entirely. And that's why we don't feel love or loved. We don't feel loved because everyone's rejecting us, because they have their own personal point of view, which is different, contrary to yours. So seemingly, you aren't loved because you're not embraced. That's the trouble. That's the problem with the world. It's not that we all have our own points of view that's the problem. It's not being able to embrace all points of view. And that's where the lover comes in. The enlightened person sees this and simply abides as love. The abiding as love and happiness and joy and delight dominates, or what's the right word, supersedes point of view. To live as love, happiness, joy, you're not coming from the disposition of a point of view. You're coming from a disposition of simply that, a disposition that is always already happy and intimate with life. It's the person coming from that place sees the futility of owning a point of view. We don't own points of view. It's just what we see. And we put words to what we see. We make mind. I've got the Severn Trent coming to check the water now. Bye for now.